हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और यार आज हम लोग आए हैं कावासाकी शोरूम नोएडा सेक्टर 63 में ये पड़ता है। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग आज शूट करने आए हैं Z900। तो कुछ सिनेमैटिक शॉट्स मैं लेने की ट्राई करूँगा। मैं सारे पार्ट कवर नहीं करता हूँ यार ओब्वियसली, क्योंकि वीडियो फिर बहुत लंबी हो जाती है। तो आई ट्राई टू कीप द वीडियो शॉर्ट। 4 से 5 मिनट की वीडियो में रखने की कोशिश करता हूँ। अगर आप चाहते हैं मैं सारे पार्ट अच्छे से कवर करूँ कम्प्लीटली 100%, तो यार उसमें वीडियो लंबी हो जाती है। आप लाइक और कमेंट करके बताओ तो मैं ट्राई करूँगा वो भी कवर करने की। ऑलरेडी चलते भी शोरूम में एंड चेकआउट करते हैं Z900। Alright guys, today we have an absolute beast in front of us, the 2025 Kawasaki Z900. This is one of the most popular naked bikes out there, and for good reason. We'll do a complete walk around, talk about its features, specs, and just admire this machine. Let's get started. Now starting from the front, you get this aggressive LED headlight setup. It looks mean, especially with these sharp DRLs that add to its Street Fighter presence. Kawasaki has really nailed the design here. The suspension setup is impressive, a 41mm inverted fork with rebound damping and preload adjustability, giving you 120mm of travel. So whether you are carving through twisties or dealing with bumpy city roads, this should handle it well. Braking duties are handled by dual 300mm disc brakes with radial mounted 4-piston calipers up front. These provide excellent bite and stopping power, and of course you have dual channel ABS for added safety. The front tire is 120 by 70 section, 17-inch, wrapped around a lightweight alloy wheel, and Kawasaki recommends keeping the pressure at 36 psi. A well-balanced setup for both street and spirited riding. Alright, let's talk about the power of the Z900, this 948cc inline-4 engine. This beauty makes 123.64 bhp at 9500 rpm and a strong 98.6 Nm of torque at 7700 rpm. No other bike in the segment produces this much torque. What that means in real-world riding: instant acceleration and buttery smooth power delivery. This engine is liquid-cooled, ensuring it stays at optimal temperature even in hot conditions. But still, in city traffic you might feel heavy heat because these bikes are high-revving engines and they are not made to run in city traffics. But on highways, these machines will cool down very easily. You also get a wet multiplate clutch, which makes gear shift smoother and lighter. Speaking of gears, it's a 6-speed manual with the traditional 1-down 5-up pattern. Kawasaki has tuned it perfectly for street and highway performance. And then there's that exhaust note. An inline 4 always sounds amazing, but this one is just intoxicating. Let's hear it. Moving up to the cockpit, the Z900 has a nice wide handlebar that gives you great control over the bike. It's slightly raised, making it perfect balance between aggressive and comfort. On the left side, you get high and low beam switches, turn indicators, horn button, traction control settings, a riding mode selector, pass light, etc. On the right side, you have the engine kill switch, starter button. One great feature is the digital instrument console, giving you all the essential info like speed, RPM, gear position, etc. Even a service reminder. Plus, you get Bluetooth connectivity, meaning you can receive calls and SMS alerts right on the display. And there's a lot more to the instrument console here, so that can be covered in a different video. Moving to the fuel tank, we get a 17 liters with a 2.6 liters reserve, which should give you a range of about 306 kilometers if you're riding efficiently. The frame is high tensile steel trellis, which keeps the weight balanced at 212 kg. It's sturdy yet light enough for dynamic handling. At the back, we have a horizontal backlink suspension with rebound damping and preload adjustability, giving 140mm of travel. This helps in keeping the ride smooth even on rough patches. The rear brake is a 250mm disc with single piston caliper, providing good stopping power. The rear tire is a massive, huge 180 by 55, 17 inches, recommended to be kept at 42 psi. The seat height is 820mm, which is accessible for most riders. It's a stepped up seat, so the pillion gets a slightly raised position for a better view. Also towards the rear, the Z900 comes with an LED tail light featuring an angular design that complements the aggressive style. The turn indicators are LED units, ensuring high visibility while keeping the rear end clean. So to sum it up, the Kawasaki Z900 is an absolute powerhouse. It's got the looks, the power and the features to make every ride thrilling. Let me know what you think about the Z900 in the comments. Would you take this over something like the Triumph Street Triple? And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome bike content. See you in the next one. Ride safe.